Please introduce yourself.
My name is Anand Singh and my father name is Rana Singh. Recently, I cleared my FSC exams and now I'm trying to move on abroad for my further education. So that's all.
Okay, so which magazines and newspapers do you read?
Mostly, I am not interested in any read of a magazine or newspaper, but if I have a leisure times, I read the newspaper of politics and these kinds of informations I read from the newspaper.
What kinds of articles are you most interested in?
Mostly recently, I told you I interested in politics of Pakistan. So like I reading about what our government do and these kinds of.
Have you ever read a newspaper or magazine in a foreign language?
Yes, recently I want I want to go abroad for my further education to improving my English language. To read the English articles from the newspaper uh, to improve my English language.
Do you think reading a newspaper or magazine in a foreign language is a good way to learn the language?
Yes, it's a good way to learn language English to reading the newspaper in foreign language because it's introduce a lot of new words or new pronunciation and other things uh, from the newspaper you can learn.
Okay, so it's time for cue card. Here's your cue card, and you have 1 minute to think, and after 1 minute, you have to speak 2 minutes continuously on this topic. Please start.
So recently I told you I cleared my FSC exams. So almost 1 years ago when I passed my uh, first years. There is a PTA meeting that held in my college, and they are invite my the teachers are invited my brothers to show my results. So I very conscious about my results that I have a lot of fear in my mind that I fail in every school test or I have low marks grades. These types of fears are in my mind. But this meeting is remind me today because my when my brothers came with college, the teachers showed the results. The results was very good. I almost gain about A plus grades. That's a very high grade. So my brother is appreciate me and my teachers introduce my some mistake that I do, but these grades are good. So I remember because my brother after that give me a party in a form of appreciation and we do a lot of enjoyment from this. So that I remember this.
Okay, so why do you think people go to restaurants when they want to celebrate something?
I think so, in a modern days, people go to a restaurant to celebrate something, to show off and first show off, but rather than show off, they want to enjoy a lot and want a heavy, high uh, party. So they went to the restaurant.
All right, that's all. Okay.